Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you the easiest and the most reliable method to enable JIT or just-in-time compilation on your apps which you have installed using sideloadly, all store, side store. The method shown in this video is completely free, and the good thing is that it works just right away from the official app store. It works on all iOS 18 or higher versions, and a jailbreak is not required. The method shown in this video is for educational and informational purposes, and the only goal is to allow you to enable JIT or just-in-time compilation for all apps which require it, so that they can run at full speed with enhanced performance. So first of all, as you can see, I have this UTM app as a demo here, so that we can see that JIT is enabled or not. So as you can see, I have installed it using sideloadly. If I open it, my screen mirroring software is not capturing the VM. So I have opened it in the task switcher. You can see the message right here, which means that JIT is not yet enabled. Now to begin, the only thing you need is this app and iZip. You can simply head to official app store and search for StikDebug, and you can get it from here. It is completely free. Then you need iZip just to transfer the pairing file from the computer to your device. Yes, you can email it to yourself also if you don't want to use the iZip method. Once these two are installed, you are good to go. Let's first of all get the pairing file. Now to get the pairing file, you can use Jailbreak pair. You can simply head to its official GitHub page. It is completely free, and from the releases, get the latest release. So I'm using Windows, so I will go with Jailbreak pair win64.zip file. Now to make Jailbreak pair work, to get your pairing file, you will have to install iTunes. Simply get iTunes from the official Apple's website to your Windows computer and install it. Simply get it and then right click and then extract all, and you will get this folder right here. Open it. Now on your iOS device, make sure that a passcode is set, as you can see it right here. Now connect your device via USB and then open Jailbreak pair. Now just in case it does not work for the first time when you open it, you will see a trust dialog on your device. Hit on trust, type in your passcode and then reopen Jailbreak pair, and you will get this pairing file right here. Now open iZip just for the first time, just to initialize it. Now open iTunes and then select your device, then go to file sharing and you'll find iZip right here. Hit on add file, select the pairing file you just got using Jailbreak pair and then hit open. The file is now copied. You can close out of iTunes. The rest of the process is on device. Just to make sure that the file is copied, you can open the Files app on my iPhone or iPad. Go to iZip and you will see this file right here. Go back, open this app. You will see this splash screen. Continue. Simply hit on allow. Type in your passcode. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected, and then hit select pairing file. Go to browse, then on my iPhone or iPad, iZip, and then select the pairing file. You can see it is successfully selected. If you go to settings, you can see the disk is successfully mounted. Go home, then hit on connect. Then simply select the install app which requires JIT to work, and then it should open. Again, my screen mirroring software is not showing up the VM. What we will do is we will just open it in the multitasking. You can see JIT is now enabled. You can see the message has changed. So rest assured it is enabled. Now each time you want to enable JIT for apps, and if in case it is not working, go to settings, go to general, then go to device management and make sure this is connected. If it is off, turn it on, then open the app, connect, select the app, and it will work right away, just like that. Now if you want to check out the log, you can open the app, you can simply hit open console and you can see the log right here. If you want to debug it, if in case you see any error, you can also copy the logs or export logs from here. Now if in case it does not work for you, you can simply regenerate the pairing file and it will work. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.